Hello, dear teacher and classmates. My name is Carmen Juliet Munoz Urosa, and now I'll share with you the answers to the questions given in the activity guide. First question. According to the video, what is didactics? I consider that didactics is a way that allows to guide ourselves in teaching learning process, taking into account how, when, and what should be taught. The strategies and tools that can be used, addressing the issues in a clear and meticulous way for greater understanding. Second question. According to the video, why is it important to didactics? Didactics is important because it shows us the way in which a content or topic is going to be taught, dividing them in stage or in parts using different instruments or tools so that the teaching learning process is enriching and it can be assimilated and overcome the possible difficulties. Next question. According to the video, what is a main difference between the Singapore lesson and the American lesson? The main difference is that the Singapore lesson contains the 30 lessons over a year, while the American lesson has 150 lessons in total. Fourth question. According to the video, Dr. Gardiner is more inclined toward Singapore books or American books. Why? Dr. Gardiner is more inclined toward the Singapore books due to their gradualness, taking step by step, developing each part with a little more complexity, analyzing the whole process so that the progress is real and complete. Type question. What do you think of didactics of mathematics after watching the video? I think that the didactics of mathematics are of great value in the teaching learning process because they allow fractioning, planning, analyzing, and finding strategies to obtain favorable results based on previous knowledge and solid basis. I think I can say in conclusion that the didactics of mathematics is immersive, totally immersive, in the teaching learning process because it helps us to establish the phases step by step and plan everything that involves the analysis, description, and I think the teaching of a topic. Thank you. Bye bye.